My name is Rose. I am a food and product photographer from the Philippines and a Skillshare top teacher. Photography started as a hobby for me and my husband, but over time, free photo sessions turned into paid gigs and eventually grew to be a real business for us. Apart from taking photos of products to help local businesses increase sales and improve online presence, we also conduct workshops for online sellers who want to DIY their product photo shoot. One of the pain points that was shared with me is not having access to a professional DSLR camera. And what I would always tell my clients is that taking beautiful product photos is not just about the gear, but following photography principles. And that is what I have for you in this class. We will kick off with setting up a DIY home studio, followed by lighting tips and techniques. Then we will dig deep into iPhone camera settings to create stunning and scroll-stopping product photos. I will also share my personal experiences when selecting props, and you will see me stage a scene and do actual styling. I will end the class by showing you a photo editing demo on the iPhone for that professional final look. Basically, you will see my entire process of shooting a product, but instead of using my DSLR camera, I will be using my iPhone. And if you will follow along, you will have 3 photos of your product. One on a plain sweep background, another one with a prop or props, and one with product styling. Anyone can join the class and no prior skills needed. May it be for your business, for your blog, for your social media, or as a favor to a friend. As long as you want to create beautiful product photos using your iPhone or your smartphone, then this class is perfect for you. So go get your iPhone and let's get started.